up guys? So today we're gonna do easy look but with glitters, so stay with me. I'm so excited. So first, many of you compliment me about my brows. Short story about it, I obviously have issues with the brows alignment, everybody has got it, but I took time, gave them like full growth, and then I drew the desired my eyebrows shape I want, and then I did it with like a pencil, eyebrow pencil something, and then whatever was left I just took it off. I used to pluck it, like I've recently started using the razor, but otherwise I used to use the plucker and I just used to take it off because I don't have a lot of brows. But even after that, I love to do my brows, so I use Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in dark brown. I have like a couple of them, like I have this one is by Maybelline, then I have this one is by Makeup Revolution. They all are pomade. I think I had more, but anyway, basically I use this. Then I use this Morphe palette. This is a brow palette. You can use any brow powder. So I just use this darker one on the outer side and this lighter shade on my inner, but not completely in. I just leave it, I just brush it off and use a spoolie. And for my brows, I use none other than ABH brush number 12. This is like my favorite of all. And yeah, and there was something else I was telling you. I forgot. For my primer, I'm using one of my favorite. I'll use my fingers today, and this is Tarte Poreless Primer. Love this primer, it's really nice. And I'm doing I'm doing my face first. We have to do glitters, but still imagine what we're gonna do. For my primer, I'm using so I am using my favorite products today, I guess. I am using my top favorite foundation, and that is Smashbox Studio Skin in 3.02, because सिर्फ एक यही I have seen a foundation available in India जिसमें नीचे skin tone, undertone सब कुछ लिखा होता है, which is very important. I have applied this. I'm using my D-Beauty Bad Boy. Isn't it so amazing? The best part, let me tell you, foundation, setting powder, concealer, bronzer, everything in one. So this is a damp one, guys, so it helps the foundation to like sit pretty well on the skin. So now I'm using Morphe concealer in 2.35, and I'm gonna use my D-Beauty, not the pointed side, for my concealer. I just love this concealer, guys. It's like so good coverage. Look at that. I didn't use my color correction. Look at this. Okay, so now I'm gonna take, can't stop, won't stop. So I'm gonna take my Bad Boy on the other side. Okay, I've taken it here. Now what I'm gonna do is, when it's facing here, I'll just tilt, look in the camera, in the mirror, and जो भी हमारा concealer है, I'm gonna just blend it so that there's no creasing there. And I'll immediately just flip and just apply this and bake it. Or if you don't want to bake and just apply a little setting powder, you can just take a little bit of it and you're done. Whatever is left, I'm not gonna take more powder. Just first focus on जहाँ आपने concealer लगाया था. Just focus on that. And now whatever is there, just apply it here. Alright, so now I'm using Wet n Wild. I love this, guys. Many of you guys ask me also that what is the drugstore bronzer that I love. It's this one. This is a Wet n Wild contouring palette in caramel toffee, and of course going with this is D-Beauty RB4 brush, which really makes the job super easy. I'm gonna take a little bit, dust off, always dust off, and just start bronzing up. The baking powder we have applied will help you blend these two together. Look at that, how soft and just amazing. I'm gonna take a D-Beauty RB4 brush and just dust off my baking here. and you have to do it with very light hand, guys. You don't want to push the products that is beneath. So just that, look at it, makes really, I'm telling you, this brush is amazing, guys. And all the Deepti brushes are multi-purpose. I get this very often from even the bloggers also, that they have been using, and it's like multitasking brush. One very important thing, guys, for all the people who are beginners here or want to be like a makeup artist and want to grab some brushes set, please do not go for the brushes that have so many brushes in there. I can say like 80% of the brushes you will not use in them, because it's of no use. So it's always better to invest in good makeup tools like you want to invest in makeup products. It's really important, like, you should understand. So let's go on eyes now. I'm gonna take this Sugar Cosmetics Stroke of Genius Back to Black Kohl pencil. Now it's your wish, you can use any, like black, you can use gel liner also or something. I'm gonna first sharpen it. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, so it's sharpened now. So what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm keeping my eyes open, you can see that, and I'll just try to be very close first. I don't want the skin to be visible, so I'm just gonna do it just this much, and now I'll just blend this out here, just the top one, not close to the lashes, and just this much will be enough for your lid area. But you have to do it one by one, like you do one eye first, then do the other, because it's gonna dry and it'll set that way. I'm gonna go back to my bronzer that I took on Deepti RB2 brush on the tip and just blend out here on the crease line. So even if you have mistakes, do not worry, because this all gonna be covered. So just focus that we blend the crease line nicely with this Deepti RB2 brush. The fun part, now I'm using TS Cosmetics glitter. I don't have its name, but you can just take it, or I'll tag them so you can ask them which one is this. Look at that. Okay, so I've already taken it on my palette. I can just show you guys here. So why I take it in a palette, you can do it in the back of your hand, but वो थोड़ा messy हो जाएगा. So you can just take it anywhere, and what I'm doing is I'm actually pressing it so that it sticks to the brush, and still, for being on safer side, I'm using a tissue. Though this is a self-adhesive, आपको इसमें कोई glue नहीं चाहिए. And I've taken a lot. Okay, yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. Again, this baby shark. Okay, so I'm gonna slowly and slowly. अगर आपको glitter से डर लगता है, then do it very slowly. And you can use a bigger brush to make your job super easy and quick. Actually, this glitter has lots of like stars and moons also, and this smaller one. So now what I'm gonna do is, now that I have just applied it all over my lid, I want to just extend it a little up, but it's completely your choice. Okay, now this makeup is going to be off level, so maybe you can just stick to wherever you want to. So I have taken just lightest ones, and I will just dab it very softly. Glitters को एकदम से जोर से नहीं press करना, because you never know, you have a bunch of it at one, like a clot. So don't do that, just very lightly, so you know when to stop. And I'm just extending it a little bit here. This is completely your choice, guys. I want to stop here. Look at that. One more thing. One more thing. Now whatever is left, guys, I'll put it inside this. Yes, you can. It's not that it's all wasted. I will put it inside, and just when I've put it here, just push it in. So it's gonna be back to the same as we started. So now I'm applying PAC No Worries mascara, and My lashes, I've already put them on the glue to be ready. I am using the Beauty Ibiza doll lashes over here. I just dropped something. Okay, so let's just put it. It's full of drama. Again, it's your choice. You want to put lighter lashes. This one is dramatic. Completely your choice. Like you see, I always love to just hold the mirror down or just look down in the mirror ahead of me or just pull it up so that it's easier for me to just see where am I placing my lashes. So I'm using Natasha Denona's Black is Black matte eye shadow, and I'll just apply it on my lash line, but not till inside, because if I'm gonna put it till inside, eyes look smaller, which we don't want. Using ColourPop cream gel liner, BFF cream gel liner in France, and I'm using it on my waterline. I just love to pop up my waterline. If you don't like it, use black, but I love to do that. You know, like if it's popping waterline, it's Deepti's makeup. So I've used my mascara, same mascara on my waterline. I'm using Peach Keen by MAC, and there you go. Now you can take any lip color with this. This is the magic. Whichever you want to go for, red, you want to go for pink, anything, blue, green, anything. So I'm using this NYX Suede lip matte. I'll just put that shade here and just outlining my lips. Using Bare It All from Gerard Cosmetics. I'm focusing here. Where's my lip brush? Here. And I'll just spread it out here. I don't want like a lot of it. Alright, so you can stop here if you want to, but I want to add on my signature. So I'm using NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Pencil in white. Yes, I am using Inner Corner Highlighter. Yay! Okay, so I'm using this ColourPop Blue Moon, and I'm gonna take this shade. This is shade Moonlight on D Beauty RB1 brush. You guys know this is like amazing, brush for inner corner highlighter or any detailed work. So what I'm gonna do is, now first I'm gonna just pack it on here, and I'm gonna just join it with my inner corner lower, like it kind of like, you know, extends with the waterline that we did. Now I'm gonna take D Beauty RB2 brush. It already has, so I'm not gonna take a lot, and I'm gonna just blend this out. Again, on the tip I had taken, but it already had, so I'm not taking more. So just blend this out.